Hey, I think it's Monday night. Yeah, it's Monday night. So the final implementation of the backend code is done. It automatically mails out the certificates, mails out the keys, mails out the notification as soon as PayPal says you're active. So everything gets updated now. I don't have to get involved. All cool, very cool. Cuts down the time and energy involved on this. So the back end with regards to payment is done, and issuing of license keys and the whole process, I'm done. Don't ever have to look at it again. Well, I'm sure I will, but not for now. So now I can get back to more of the front end, the actual bot itself. This really does cut down a lot of overhead. I'm very fortunate that the new APIs are out and are pushed this way. The older way, I would have just been so expensive to manage this, but now this is doing good with regards to issuing license keys and the automation of this. So as you know, the bot has a tie to a YouTube playlist that's an unlisted playlist. But as soon as you run the bot, it starts to run some of the videos from the playlist. I'm adding to the playlist all the time. This is not an example of actual captures of sales. This is how you use the bot. So I can get back to that again now. This is all really cool. I'm happy to get the back end code base done and out of my hair. Trust me, if you've ever done any backward administrative accounting work, you don't want to mess with it. It's a nightmare, but it's done. Yeah, baby, it's done. So I can just leave it up to the reports from PayPal now to let me know and deal with all the taxes involved in the fun and thrills of that sort of stuff without having to go through any headaches. So again, if you want a beta key, more people are buying beta keys, and I appreciate it. Just go through the PayPal subscription model, and that'll be the best way to do it. So like I said, I'm back to the front end now. I'm also tying the front end to more back end services. It's going to keep track of the successful sites where checkouts have taken place. That should be brought forward into the bot, so you should be able to see in the bot what successful places have been and where sites have gone through to carting, no carting. And hey, if you got a license and you want to test the site, test an item in a cart, test a website, see if it works. The bot records the debugging information and sends it back to us, so I can go like, oh, hey, look, it got this far, I know how to fix it. So that's how you help in this situation. You try things that you don't know if they're going to work or not. You try that collectible item, or you try that shoe on this website or on that website. The bot records that information for me, and I can go there and go and check the database and go, oh, hey, we got pretty close on this item. Let's see if we can fix that cart and get it a little bit farther. The more places you try, successful or unsuccessful, the more interest I see in which sites you're interested in. What can I say? The back end and the data collection and all that stuff is almost automated now to the point where if there's a bug or there's an issue, I get a report of it. So even though we do have a bug reporting feature and a feature reporting feature, if there's an issue during the process, I get a report about it, and it does go to me. So do keep that in mind. When you're running the bot, it reports problems back, and it just has to. Otherwise, we're not going to be able to progress forward on doing this. Anyway, with that said, Monday night, Tuesday morning, things are going well, and I'm ready to add some more features to the actual bot itself now that the back end and accounting is done. Yeah, baby. Anyway, you have a good night. I'll talk to you later. Take care, and bye-bye.